Introducing PCA Cyber Security, your extended team of embedded cybersecurity experts. Today's connected products, from POS systems, ATMs and cars to industrial controllers, are under constant attack. When embedded threats are treated like ordinary IT issues, security teams hit a wall. Compliant but insecure devices, too many alerts, not enough context, and no clear understanding of what's actually at risk or how the next attack would unravel. Because compliance may not be enough. PCA Cyber Security understands this. Our security researchers and threat intelligence analysts work together and are fully focused on embedded threat landscape, sharing only the relevant insights in real time with product security teams. That means faster threat detection, leveraging offensive security and smarter protection, tailored to your products. From fintech to automotive, industrial ecosystem and beyond, we help you build trust in every connected product. With PCA Cyber Security, you don't just get device penetration testing and raw intelligence data. You get a partner, combining world-class research, embedded focused threat intelligence, and proven expertise.